So another big aspect is know and track your KPIs. And KPIs are key performance indicators. So, talking with a lot of companies that a lot of people are doing this. I mean, down to a real detail level, and a lot of companies, I mean, they're not even, if their phone's ringing, they're like, okay, something's somehow my phone's ringing, but they're not really tracking like, all right, how many leads am I getting a month? What am I spending? What's my average cost per lead? And where are my leads coming from, right? So those are some this KPIs can get real like nitty gritty, but like a lot of times keeping this stuff like you want to track it, but you want to keep it simple enough to not confuse people. And at the end of the day, right, you just want to make sure like, what's my cost per lead? How much money am I spending? How much money am I making? Right. So you can just keep it simple. You don't want to sit there for 4 days trying to calculate weird KPIs and all that. But these are kind of the higher level KPIs that we like to look at. And then we want you guys to look at to kind of see, what's going on. So, and one way to do this, and this is what we do with our clients, is, you want to track, all the leads and where are the leads coming from. This is just an example. So, we track all the leads that come in. So this guy, he got 73 leads in a month, and, we track it from, Google My Business, his organically from his site. Did it come from Google Ads? And it's not shown on this part. This is kind of the higher level report, but there's reports where you can show, all right, I got this leads from Google My Business, or this many leads from Google My Business. I got this many leads from these pages on my site. Got this many, and that way you can kind of break it down and kind of see, all right, man, it looks like we're getting a ton of leads for Google My Business. Let's put a lot more effort on getting ranked in the free pack for more terms, to where we could drive up that call volume and that lead volume. So whoever whether you're working with us or somebody else, just make sure you're tracking all this and keep a track of where everything's coming from. That way you know what's working and what's not. Otherwise you're flying blind, right? You don't really know what's going on. So far we've kind of talked about your goals and targets for 2020. We've kind of talked about the market message, how you're going to do it and who you're going to go after. You need to make sure your website is built to convert. And it gave you guys a simple KPI dashboard to keep in mind. That shouldn't be too hard to set up. So, let's go a little bit deeper, and what in 2020 we kind of talked about the website a little bit, but there's also some other things you guys can be doing to other channels to drive up the number of leads and jobs you get on a monthly basis. So think about what's your plan for 2020. These are kind of and there's more than you can do than this too, honestly. So you could be doing Instagram ads, Facebook ads. There's so many different avenues. Bing, Yahoo. But we've kind of broken this down and tested it. Like these, I would start with these. Like, do you have an optimized Google My Business page? Are you ranking in 3-pack for your local area? Do you have a clean looking website built to convert? Do you have somebody working on your search engine optimization for you? Are you running paid ads? That's a whole other angle, right, that you can be getting leads from. Are you managing your reputation and getting more reviews on a consistent basis, right? Like we do see sometimes people get excited about this for a week and then they kind of just no more reviews ever, right? Like you want to get your team fully on board, your technicians fully on board on getting as many 5-star, preferably 5-star reviews as possible. So I would really think about these, what you're, and if you already are doing all 6 of these aspects, maybe, we're doing, Google Map rankings, but we're not really quite in a 3-pack yet. We're trying, but we're not there. So think about, for 2020, what do you need to really do to improve the aspects, of what you're currently doing.
Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.